Pocket 3 with the new expansion adapter, aka GoPro adapter, whatever you want to call it. Nice clip. Nice clip. Connected to here. Connected to this. You have to be careful when mounting this. The first time I mounted, just right now, I blocked the LCD screen. It needs to be low enough so that screen works. So with this, you're going to have to make sure that the camera is facing forward. No, not forward. It's just considered backwards. Facing the screen side. You're going to have to also, let's see, by going through the menu, I would also shut off the LED. I would also screen off from recording. Set that to 3 seconds, right? Screen off from recording 3 seconds, because there's no reason to have the LED blinking and the screen running, otherwise everyone's gonna be staring at it. Clip this onto your bag and then it gives you hand-free use. Okay, this is connected to my clipped onto my sling bag, and it's actually not the most ideal. Most ideal would be a book bag, because a book bag will press the fabric right against your body, keeping it most stable. But let's just test this at its limit, see what the limit is. So when you're walking, it's going to be probably shaking like this, right? Let's see how much it can stabilize that. In addition, it will not be completely straight, I think, so you'll want to load up your DJI Mimo app and to use the screen of the app to manually readjust the orientation, make sure it's facing forward as you're walking, right? And then after that, you're all set. Then you have hands-free and like very incognito walking video system. Pretty cool, right? Voila, you can start walking. Someone would notice.
Yeah.